Okay guys, here's how to wash your boots. If you have black leather boots like mine, um, I'll show you how to wash them. So first, you grab a paper towel, right? You just grab maybe like about this big. You could grab any kind of size, whatever. Just grab a paper towel. You also need dish soap, because don't use hand soap. The best choice is probably dish soap. No shampoo. It's gonna ruin the leather, I think. Just use dish soap. So you want to grab your paper towel, and you're gonna kind of wet the paper towel. Okay, so you're gonna kind of dampen the paper towel, and you're gonna get a little dish soap, and just you only need a little bit of dish soap, and just about that much, and then kind of rub it together. Okay, now watch. Okay, so you get your boots, and then you get your boots with the damp paper towel and the soap in it, and you just scrub away any dirt on your boot. You could scrub the whole thing, but just scrub away any dirt. Don't scrub it too roughly, or else, yeah, don't want to scrub it too roughly, or else it will damage the leather. Except for on this part, you don't have to scrub lightly on this part, because it has the most dirt. But yeah, just scrub your boots. Just take this real quick. Maybe you could put a little soap on the leather as well, so it looks more shinier if you want. But yeah, it's supposed to look like this from all the dirt. And then I'm gonna get another towel. I want to use either warm or cold water. You can use either warm or cold water. I don't know. You do you. Just wash away any dirt you have on your shoe or your boot. It should be good. Alright, once you have washed your shoe, you get another paper towel, and you could also just rinse it under water, but it's suggested to use a paper towel. And you dampen it a little bit. Just dampen it, don't put too much water. And then you're gonna want to scrub the soap and the water away off the shoe. You could also run it under water, but I like to use just another paper towel. Okay, now if you're washing the leather part of your shoe, you're gonna don't run the leather part underwater, because it's gonna mess up the leather. So you're gonna, if you're washing your leather, just use a damp paper towel. It's better. I wash my leather jacket with a damp towel with some soap and water, and cool. It doesn't ruin the leather at all. So yeah. Now once you're done washing your shoe, you could either leave it out, or if you're like in a hurry or something, you could get a towel or a paper towel and just dry it off with that. And that's how you wash a boot. So thanks for watching.